Meet the TYPHON TERROR XIII PRO Storm, powered by a robust 22.1 horsepower Honda GX690 Gas Engine. Tail turning radius of just 795 mm and digging depth of 1,710 mm and free hydraulic thumb clip to gives you precision grip for material handling. From farms to gardens, parks to orchards, construction sites to landscaping projects. Drilling, digging, grabbing, bulldozing, ditch cleaning, the TERROR XIII PRO handles it all. Designed with the operator in mind, even first-time users can master this machine quickly. The TYPHON TERROR XIII PRO, compact, tough, efficient, your ideal partner for projects that demand excellence. TYPHON machinery, where toughness meets reliability. Built with cutting-edge technology and backed by extensive expertise,